Take a ride in the 2018 C-HR. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, lane departure warning.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.